Today we're making this super easy dinner. 1 sheet lemon garlic chicken with roasted broccoli and potatoes. Delicious. To get started on our super easy 1-pan dinner recipe, we are doing 3 pounds of chicken breast. Easy, wash it, get it ready, put it in our bowl. 1 pound of baby potatoes, we're just gonna cut them in half. Potatoes are ready on the side. Then we have 1 head of broccoli. I've just cut off the little broccoli florets, and those are ready. So now our chicken, so easy. We're gonna do olive oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic, or you could just do 2 garlic cloves chopped up. So that's our chicken seasoning all ready. Now we're gonna add potatoes, broccoli, mix this all up. So simple. Just coating our chicken and our veggies. We're gonna bake it all together. Once we have that, we have our baking sheet right here. We're gonna take some olive oil. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit on our sheet, and I'm gonna put our beautiful chicken right in the middle, like that. And then I'm gonna take all of our veggies, put it on either side of the pan, so it's all in one single layer here. We don't want any on top. Look at that. Easy, nutritious, dinner's ready. So we're gonna top this off with 2 more additional tablespoons of olive oil. Just drizzle that on top of all the veggies and the chicken. A little bit, there you go. And this is going in the oven, preheated at 400 degrees. We're gonna pop it in the oven. Our 1 sheet lemon garlic chicken with roasted potatoes and broccoli is ready. This is a beautiful, such an easy dinner. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.